Te dejan por los cambios de ellos, ¿eh? Totalmente.
I'm not supposed to be scared of anything, but I don't know where I am. I wish that I could move, but I'm exhausted and nobody understands. I'm trying hard to breathe now, but there's nowhere in my lungs. There's no one here to talk to, and the pain inside is making me numb. I try to hold this under control. They can't help me, 'cause no one knows. Now I'm going through changes. God, I feel so frustrated lately. When I get suffocated, save me. Now I'm going through changes. Feeling weak and weary, walking through this world alone. Everything they say, every word of it cuts me to the bone. I've got something to say, but now I've got nowhere to turn. It feels like I've been buried